Hi everyone, I just wanted to make this video so that you would know where to get started on Khan Academy. Hopefully we've already discussed that for every 1,000 points you earn within this course, you will be able to get a homework pass or a drop the lowest score for homework pass, with a possibility of getting 6 of those. So let's just go ahead and take a look at what this is all about. So you can start right here, or to do something a little bit better and easier is you can select See All 5, scroll down to where it says Course Challenge over here on the left, and I've already started a course challenge, but what that is it's a quiz. It's going to take 30 to 45 minutes to possibly complete all the answers, and it will give you points. And then from there, after you take this course challenge, you can retake it, I believe, 2 more times. You do not have to take it more than that. It just gives you more points, and it gives you more ability to get through the different questions for getting ready for 6th. And then after you've taken that, you can go ahead and work on these. Of course, I would prefer that you work on Get Ready for Arithmetic Operations, because these are things we've already done in our class. Now, if you notice over here, there's 5,900 points available in this course. If you get all 5,900 points, you will be able to get 6 homework passes or drop the lowest score for homework pass. And I am going to give a homework pass for every 1,000 points, but if you end up with the 5,900, you get a bonus one. So for a total of 6 coupons for a homework pass or drop the lowest score pass. So hopefully you're going to take advantage of this. This is a great way to help you learn your material that's going to be coming up. And you're going to have to work on this anyway while I'm absent, so this will be a good thing for you. Alrighty.